I have an official announcement to make, and this is not the first song in the album. That one is Rise, which is the one that I showed you with the crazy vocals. This is I'm actually working on a new project called Morrison Middle School with my best friends, Preston and Haven. They don't know each other, but I know them. Preston is my school friend, and Haven is my distant friend that lives all the way in California. Well, we are making a mega project or something, and also Jackson 1215 could be making music for me, but the project's gonna be like a bunch of five comedy sketches for 5 days of middle school each, and it's gonna be called Morrison Middle School, and they're gonna be 11 or 10 minutes each to make a 50-minute long video. Anyways, here is the trailer scene without voice. And that is the full song. And also, I literally just sampled this bell. So, I grabbed it off of YouTube, I screen recorded it, and then put it into, So I created some sort of thing on Shortcuts called Sound Converter that turns videos into sound, and boom, I got this. And I also got this. Bro, I also got this. Popping it up. And I also got this. Side chain. Kind of resembles the bass. This one's the side chain and this one's the chop. Anyways, full movie coming out on Easter. And we are recording. I'll give you the videos. And I'll give you the 5 videos first. And then I'll snip in some scenes to make it longer and stuff in the movie. That is for today's video. Thanks, being Bent. Out.